Hey Stephen, Simon here from Little Big Marketing. I spoke to you yesterday about shooting this really quick video for your website. I'm going to show you a way to get it to page one and obviously how that would look like in terms of extra client traffic and potential revenue increase. So I'm going to get started straight away. There's three main things to look at when you're looking at ranking your site, and they are content on your website, number one. Number two is backlinks, and number three is citations. And I'll explain them as I go. Number one being content on your website. What I'm referring to is words and images. I see you've got a lot of really good images here, especially because they're all of your, I think they're all of your team, yeah, down here. That's always really good to be sort of personalized like that, so I really like those. But Google does like to see at least 1,500 or 2,000 words on a home page, just so it knows what you are and what you're trying to rank for, and you can sort of take the guesswork out of Google's hands, and also that you're a legitimate website with enough information for customers to come and read. Now, what I've done is put your website into a tool called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs buys statistics from Google and presents them to us to show us what's ranking your site and what's hurting it. So I can see here you've got 71 backlinks, and number two after content was backlinks. And backlinks are basically anywhere one website refers to another via a link. So if you click on that link, it takes you to the referred website. What that does is build authority. It transfers authority from one website to another, and Google sees that, and it basically allows Google to trust that website because it's being referred to from lots of other websites. Now, you've got 71 of those coming from 16 domains, and that's allowing you to rank for 102 keywords. Now, keywords are any search phrase someone would enter into Google looking for your specific service, and ideally location specific. So window cleaning, San Diego. Now, you've got 102. That doesn't mean you're on page one, obviously, for 102. It just means you're in the top 100 Google results. So you could be on page 10. Now, from that, you're getting 14 clicks per month. This is organic traffic, meaning it's unpaid or unadvertised traffic, 14 clicks per month. So not too many at the moment. Now, what I did was I did two things. I put window cleaning San Diego as one, and I also put screen repair San Diego to find two competitors that I thought was sort of worth having a look at to show you what you could expect. And as I come down the results page here, this is page one, the first thing I want to point out is the map pack. Now, number one was content, number two was backlinks, and number three was citations. And citations are anywhere you mention your business name, number, and address on any directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, etc. As seen on your Google My Business. And as long as you've got more of those than these guys here, it brings you into the map pack, this top three. The top three is extremely important these days. In fact, it's almost critical because no one clicks on the view all button. So when you get into these, this top three here, you can expect about 20 to 30% extra clicks on your website just from this alone. So it's being utilized a lot, especially for local services. So very much worth getting those citations. And you've also got to have a competitive amount of reviews, and your Google My Business has also got to be filled out correctly and fully. So as I scroll down, I'm going to show you a couple of these websites. Who did I choose on this one? I chose Blue Ocean Window Cleaning to have oh no, I didn't. I chose San Diego. Oh, I did, yes. Okay. Blue Ocean Window Cleaning, beg your pardon. So as I come through and look at their content, they've got some nice images as well. It's quite similar to yours. But also lacking in content. So if you went about putting those extra words on your page, you get some extra of those search phrases or keywords in, and also to tell Google you want to rank for them, and also you're going to blow these guys out of the park pretty quickly. So I've also put them into Ahrefs. You can see here they've got quite a few more backlinks and referring domains. I think you were at about 70 something, and well, let's have a look, 71 and 16. So they're ranking for 178 keywords. Now, it's only pulling them in 92 clicks per month. It's not as many as I'd like to see. I'd like to see at least a couple hundred for you. So I'll go into their keywords to have a look why that is. Because they are ranking on position one for this specific, on page one for this specific keyword phrase. But as I come down, you can see window cleaning San Diego. So this is volume here is how often it gets searched for per month. Traffic is how often they get clicked on for it, and position is where they're sitting on page one of Google or on any page of Google. So you can see this, the page one, position three, position four. So what did I type in? Window cleaning San Diego, this one here. So they're receiving about 5 clicks per month for that. And this is all sort of not estimated, but it can be a little bit behind. So you saw they were getting 92 clicks per month, and that's basically a combination of all these keywords here where they're sitting on page 1 and they're building it up. So what's happening here is they're coming onto page 2 from there, and from here on, you'll almost see no traffic down this column here once you get onto page 2. The difference from page 2 to page 1 is, light years ahead. It's a huge difference. It can be hundreds and hundreds of clicks. So that's I just wanted to show you that because these guys will be very, very easy to beat. Now, coming across to the next one I chose was Screen Repair San Diego. And once again, the map pack here. And I chose San Diego mobile screens. They're in position 2. Yelp is beatable too, by the way, if you wanted to get to position 1. And here we have a look at these guys, San Diego mobile screens. Coming down, having a look. Another reasonably nice site. Yep, very little content. So you'd be straight out of the bat just beating these guys with content. This does look a little bit different here because they're ranking for quite a few keywords and obviously more on page 1. Now this is mobile screens only. I know you guys offer that, so that's why I chose these guys. And I also wanted to show you what a larger amount of clicks look like. So 329 clicks, I mean, if you were only closing 10%, which is, I imagine is a fairly conservative number from people coming through your website and calling, you're looking at an extra 32 clients per month, plus the extra 9 or so from the window cleaning. And the idea is to take all of your services here, up the top, window cleaning, gutter cleaning, screen repair, all of those, and rank on page 1 for all of those. And what you'll see is this number go well up around 1,000, possibly more, basically as far as you wanted to take it. So the revenue increase is significant. So they were the main things I wanted to show you. I hope that sort of gives you a bit of insight into how you could rank your page and what it would look like in terms of revenue. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Once again, my name is Simon from Little Big Marketing. My number is 760-688-2297. This is something that you can do yourself. However, this is what I do. So if you did want to have it done professionally, yeah, please feel free to give me a call or reach out via email. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.